Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable LED light for your speaker JBL Grip. And basically we have two options, how to enable or disable it. The first one, we can use the app, so open JBL Portable application. Your speaker should be connected with the app, and then it will open for you speaker menu. But if you're in the main menu, just tap at your speaker right here at the device list. So to enable LED light, you need to tap at the slider near to the light brightness if the slider have empty background. Now let me show it for you. So at the back side right here we have the LED light, we just turn on it. To turn off it, you need to also press the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And as you can see, we disable it. Also, we can use Ctrl to enable or disable it. So you need to press one time at the LED light button at the back side near to the USB-C port. Right here we have this button, press on it, and as you can see I just enable it, and now I use the first LED light mode. So to disable LED light, you need to press at the LED light button and change all this mode, and after the last one, now we use neon, and if you press again you will turn off it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!